Updating your primary email on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and linked to your account. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings section. This is typically found in a menu, often represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. This section will allow you to manage your email addresses associated with your Zelle account. Step 4. Update your primary email. Choose the option to edit or update your primary email. Enter the new email address you wish to use and confirm it if prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the new address, so check your inbox for any required action. By following these steps, you can easily update your primary email on Zelle. Keeping your contact information current ensures you receive notifications and can use the service without interruptions.